welcome to a new video. Today I've got a mini haul which is mainly new colouring books. Well, not new colouring books, they're just new colouring books to me, and also some art supplies in this box here. So I'll start with the colouring books. Now these were a lovely surprise. I ordered these and completely forgot that I'd ordered them. So I got such a lovely surprise. I didn't know what was in the parcel, and then as soon as I opened it I realised what it was, but I haven't taken them out of the tissue paper yet, so I'm going to unwrap those now. First of all, I got this Colour in Heaven. This is the newest Colour in Heaven. It's called Busy World Special. It looks absolutely amazing. It's got beautiful, gorgeous images in. Really nice. I haven't looked at who the artists are yet, but I suspect I know who they might be. Yeah, Colin Thompson. Thought so. I just couldn't remember his name because I do have one of his colouring books. But these are absolutely gorgeous pictures. Okay, so the colouring books, I'll open these next. So I've wanted these for quite a while now. Seeing as there's not really a lot of new colouring books coming out at the moment, I decided to just go ahead and order these. Now I ordered them off a website called Live in Colours, and it's not in the UK, it's in Europe. I can't remember exactly what the website is, but I'll link it below. I'm pretty sure it must be called Live in Colours, but I don't know. I will link it below though in the description. So it's the Coloriage Wild. I can't even pronounce it. Coloriage Wild by Emmanuel Colignon. So this is the first book. These gorgeous images. I know a lot of people will have already seen these or probably already own these because they've been out a long time, but I never ever got them. So it's the most beautiful artwork. This is just such a talented artist. So that's the first one. And the second one, I won't obviously show you all the pages. And then I got the fourth one because they didn't have the third one, so I'm going to have to try and find the third one somewhere else. Possibly Etsy. I'm sure they've got it on Etsy. Or if anybody else knows where I can get the third one, I'll be really grateful. Yeah, so this is the fourth one. Oh, so this one's got animals in as well. Beautiful. Oh, what I wouldn't give to be able to draw like this. It's just amazing. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Then I've got this. Now, a while ago I got on another video in the past, I got all of Karolina Kawikowska's books, and she had these postcard sets, but she hadn't released the spring one yet. So this is the spring one. So these are absolutely beautiful as well. Oh my god. So we've got these gorgeous little sticky, oh, it's in a little book, little sticky notes. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, they are absolutely beautiful. So that's those. And then this is the book. Spring Memories. Oh my god, look at that. I love it. How beautiful is that? That's so nice. They're just all beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but I particularly like that one of the bee. Oh, it's lovely. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so now I'll open this. Okay, so I know what it is. It's something that's been on my wish list for a long time, and it was an absolute bargain. That's why I bought it. Because I thought I'm never going to see it at this price again. And it's the Derwent Inktense blocks. It's a 72 set. So I got it from a company called Specialist Crafts Art Design. It was on Amazon. It was about 80 something pound, £86, and I've had it in my save for later basket for absolutely ages. And then they sold out at that price. So the next price was like about £128. I should have bought them when they were at like £82. So I did an internet search, and like most places were selling them for like over £100. Found this company selling them for, I think it was about £48. And I thought, God, that can't be right. But then when I went to the site, that was the price without VAT. So when they added the VAT on top of that, it knocked them up to around £63 or something. So they were still about £20 cheaper than the 80 something pound. So I thought, I'm not going to see them again at this price, so I bought them. Yeah, so if you want to go and get some as well, the website is specialistcrafts.co.uk, and I'll link it below in the description as well. Okay, so there we go. 72 beautiful Inktense colours, and none of them are broken. Okay, so that's today's little haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.